Sarura Kids.
My baby, where's my baby? My baby. My baby, where's my baby? My baby, where's my baby? Where's my baby? Where's
But I'm lost in the jungle. Where's my mummy? Oh, little baby dinosaur is lost in the jungle.
your daddy is coming?
Where are you, my daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, Omar, you don't look like my daddy at all. You look very scary.
No, I just your daddy.
Oh, but daddy, why do you have such a big, wide mouth and such sharp teeth?
I don't. I'm just hungry.
Oh, you're ugly. Oh, you're very...
Huggle.
Oh, okay. Don't bite me, please, daddy.
I won't. I will just chop some food. He didn't eat you.
Whew, thank goodness. For a second I thought he was going to eat me.
Some food.
Ah, there's a big giant child who's grabbed me. Oh, help, help.
Yo. Save you.
Oh, yay, I've been saved. Whew. Well, nobody ever told me that our time had actual people in them. And these people were very big
You can have.
and very, very grabby.
You can have some boxes too.
Oh, yum, 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 yum. I do like my greens, Daddy. I know you told me they're very healthy, but could I maybe have something else on the side? Shall we go have some pizza?
Yeah.
I heard you haven't had pizza for a long time. It's on my favourite place. It's called The Log.
Oh.
Let's all go and hang out on the log. Pizza! Yes, the pizza's for the dinosaurs. Well done.
Oh.
Hello, everyone at the log. Your friendly pizza restaurant owner is here. Oh, are you giving them all their toppings?
Gabby.
Pizza, yeah, let's all dig in.
Eat it. Dad. Now let's eat some fruit.
Oh, Daddy, thank you very much. It was very nice having pizza and a side of tree. Oh, did you know I really wanted a side of tree to nibble on? Some broccoli. Wow, more
Dad.
pizza.
Now let's have some more pizza.
More pizza, yay!
Mum.
Lovely, yummy pizza.
I love it.
Ooh, I love it too, Daddy.
This baby.
Although this one tastes a bit like a log. Oh, more pizza.
Little
Oh, thank
baby
you.
is tired.
Oh, little baby sleeping.
And
Oh, is that the nursery or the dinosaurs go to sleep? There's another little dinosaur over there. Oh, thank you, Minnie Nuna.
oh.
But that was a baby dinosaur also taking a nap.
But they're not the friends. It is baby's friend.
No, it's baby's friend. It's okay, little dinosaur. You can go to sleep.
Look,
Oh,
Daddy,
are they
look.
Grandma and Granddad there?
Your new friend.
Oh, it's a play date. Yay. Oh, yes, they are. Going for a little drive.
Need to go back home now.
Oh, Daddy, thank you so much. I know you're not really my daddy. But it's fun that I came and hung out with you for a day.
Are you your daddy?
Oh, okay, Daddy.
You want a piggyback?
I love a piggy bank.
You want a
Oh,
piggyback
bye-bye. The restaurant owner is saying bye-bye. Bye-bye, restaurant owner. We'll see you later.
Piggyback vibe.
Thank you for such a lovely,
Daddy.
yummy meal. Yay! I love riding on Daddy's shoulders. Yay! Giddy up, Daddy. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, Daddy. Giddy up, giddy up.
A time we get home, we need to take you off my back.
Oh, but why?
We will pray in a minute.
Oh, okay, if you say so.
It will be not a lot of fun.
Yay! I love playing.
You can do it with me.
Yay!
Here. I took you off my back.
Yes, he was a little horsey, Daddy.
Yeah. It was a piggyback ride. We can bring our iPad tomorrow.
Ooh, iPad. I've never even heard of what an iPad is. Something you sit on?
No.
Oh.
We can sit in our seat, but I will put your seatbelt on.
Okay, thank you, Daddy. You're the best. Bye-bye. The restaurant owner is still saying bye-bye to us, Daddy. She followed us all the way home. Just to say bye-bye.
Okay.
She's very friendly. A little snack before bed. I'm a growing dinosaur. And I'm a big, hungry daddy dinosaur.
All done, little one. We will sleep now.
No. Good night, little dinosaurs. And thank you for taking us out for a pizza. We had lots and lots of fun. Sleep tight.
Morning. Let's go for a walk.
Yeah! We're going for a walk. Ah, piggyback ride. Piggyback time.
Pizzas.
Pizzas. Did the restaurant owner even go to sleep, Daddy? I think she was here all night long.
She was.
As soon as we woke up, she had pizza for us. You're a very friendly restaurant owner.
Piggyback.
Mummy, stop laughing.
I can't help it. The restaurant owner was just waiting with pizza for you. You also want a piggyback ride, do you, the restaurant owner? Yeah.
Little baby one want to have a piggyback.
Yay!
Sticks. We need to move those sticks out the way.
Yes, please, Daddy. Let's move those big logs out of the way. They're very heavy.
Oh, what is in our way? Let's take
It's
it
a
away.
big log. Giddy up, dinosaurs. Oh, piggyback ride. Yeah.
He got going. Bye, Mummy.
Hello. Yes, you've got your lovely dress on. It's very beautiful. Yes, Mummy's got her lovely dress on too.
Where's the other dinosaur?
There's another one over there.